Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to optimize your desktops so that your desktop can reach its full potential. As you might not be getting full FPS as per your specs. So now see, as I'm getting around 150 FPS in Minecraft on this laptop, as this is a 14-year-old laptop launched from 2012. So now let's go on desktop. First of all, before doing anything, you have to create a restore point on system restore so that if anything mishappen to your computer, you can go to the point where you were before. So now go open your Windows setting and type game mode and hit the enter button. Now you have to enable this mode as this can improve your FPS in game. Now on to the next option, capture. You have to uncheck all these options as they can decrease your FPS while running in background. So the next option, game bar. Disable this game bar as this is the main feature of the window which can decrease our FPS. Now go back to the home. We can search background apps and hit the enter. Now these are those apps which run in your background while you are not using them. I prefer disabling them all as they run in background consuming your all PC performance unnecessarily. Now you can open your taskbar and hit the startup apps. These are those apps which run as soon as you start your computer. They run and affect your performance by running as soon as your computer starts. Now you have to go back to the home screen and press Windows plus R. Now this run program will open and you have to type msconfig and press enter. Now this will pop up and you have to click on boot, then advanced option. Now you have to check the number of processor and set it to the maximum. For my PC I have a 4 core processor. You can have more than me, so you have to select highest and then hit enter. Now you have to restart your computer. Now after restarting your computer, you have to open your search bar and type adjust the appearance and performance of window. Now hit enter. Now after this will pop up. Now click on custom and check these two options. This will improve your Windows performance. Now go to the advanced option and click on change. Now your automatically managed paging file option will be checked. You have to uncheck that and click on custom size. Now open your taskbar and go check your memory. I have 12 gigabyte of DDR3 memory. Now you have to open your calculator. Now and listen carefully. Now you have to multiply your system memory by 1024 and after that the given value by 1.5. Now if I multiply this, I will get a number 18,422. Now put this in initial size. Now multiply it by 2 and put it in the maximum size. Now click on set and you have created your own virtual memory which will be used as a secondary memory. Now go to the Google Chrome browser or any browser and type Chris Titus tool. Now hit enter. Now after entering you will have these websites. Now go to the second website and copy the link by clicking on copy button. Now after copying this you have to go back to the Windows screen and go to the search bar and type Windows PowerShell. Now run this as administrator. Now after it will pop up. Now you have to right click and the command will be pasted here. Now click enter. Now wait for a while until you have this command prompt.
A few moments later.
Now after waiting you have this CTT confirmation. Now this will pop up. This is the main tool we will be using. Now pay attention here. Now these might have many apps you have to install. If you have a new computer you can install anything you want. Now for optimization we have to go to tweaks. Now click on tweaks. Now pay attention here which buttons I'm clicking. Click on them. First of all, as we are created the restore point, you can create here or you can create at the start. Now click on that. Now click on delete temporary file, disable activity history, disable consumer features. This might be optional. Now disable Explorer. Now you have to go to the option disable PowerShell telemetry because this is the old version. Now disable telemetry, remove widgets, run disk cleanup. You have to run this. I might not because I'm recording this. Now go to advanced. Now block Adobe Network, block Razer software. Now the next you have to block is Brave disable. Now disable background. We have already disabled background app, but you can click here also. Now if you play games on full screen, you can click that or you might not. Now disable Microsoft Copilot, disable notification tray because this is so annoying, as when I play game the pop-up makes me so annoying. Now the next step you have to click is remove all store apps. This might be very optional. If you want 100% performance you can click that, but if you need some apps of Microsoft you might not. Now remove OneDrive, remove Xbox. Now scroll up. The settings above are optional and as preference. Now you can enable and check what you want. Now for the thing that I like is dark theme, and example I don't like Bing search menus and tray icons. I don't like anything of that. Now, after these all things, you can disable sticky keys. This is the option which you play Minecraft and you hear a tick noise while shifting. Now, add and activate ultimate profile. This will create a profile in your power option which will be sufficient for performance boost. Now, click on run tweaks. Now this is not going to happen to you. Now I will cut this option, but you don't have to do, as I'm recording a video, you are not. Now after that this will run for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now wait for that time. Now after that click open your power option. Now you might have selected the crisp plan. Now go to the change plan setting. After clicking on change plan setting, you have to go to change advanced power option. Now follow these steps as these are important, as Chris' plan is already worked efficiently to improve your performance. I might have to improve one or two settings. You have to follow the same settings as following. Now after this click apply and cancel the. Now for next step you have to check the description for this optimizer. Now this is an optimizer which is not available on website, so you have to go to my Discord and download this. Now after opening this optimizer you might have seen this pop-up coming to your screen. Now follow the step which I am performing. Now click on optimize performance, optimize network, disable flint services, disable fax services, disable sticky keys, disable smart screen. Now you have to disable Office telemetry, Mozilla Firefox telemetry, NVIDIA telemetry. If you don't have a graphic card, you might disable them. Now follow the Windows 10 setting. Now, if you want anything like in your system that you like, you can enable here or disable here. For example, if you want performance, you might follow the settings which I am enabling and which is disabled. Now for privacy you can disable these also. Now if you use Microsoft Edge you might not enable these. You have to check them if you want. Now after applying these settings, now after that you have to go to settings, and now you have to uncheck all the startup apps as they can run your whole PC performance to trash. Now this is all settings or all feature you can say that which this optimizer that I have has. Now after that you can install anything you want like TCP optimization or games, anything you want. Now this also have a own cleaner. Now these are some settings. Now you can check that I have the hardware installed is same as the start of the video. Now you, this is also an optimizer and also in hardware revealable that reveals your whole hardware properties. Now this is my whole specification of my laptop. Now after that you can setting, you can change anything you want, and this is for it. Today this optimizer is best at this point. Now you have to restart and apply changes. So this is it for today, guys. Making this video was a hard part for me. Follow me and DM me if you need anything. Bye bye, guys.